goal with this activity is to work the abs and improve your rotation. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie on your back. Make sure the backbones, PSIS, kind of the bony parts on your lower back, are contacting the ground. Just don't tuck to get them there. You're going to bring one knee towards the middle, have a yoga block just above it. Elbows are going to touch the yoga block like this. Silent in. Exhale and reach with the free arm. You're going to keep this reach. You're going to inhale, lift up. Exhale, tap. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, tap. Keep pressure on the block the whole time. If you want to make it more difficult, straighten the leg out longer. Just make sure you keep that PSIS contact. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.